Welcome to the Full Tracy Money Audio Commentary. This is Owen Tracy recording, and it is 3:29 p.m. That is Central Time. Today is June 25th. Well, the Treasury market today is down below the 4.3% level, and that's on the back of the Federal Reserve talking about changing the volume of cash or the capital rules for banks. So that should be positive for the banking sector and potentially positive for the Treasury market. But then in the wider market, we saw that Bitcoin was up $1,600. So back up towards the upper side of its range and up to 107,000 right now. Gold was a bit steadier in here today, but platinum was up in a dynamic manner and now up at $43 today and still very clearly holding the move above $1,300. Silver was up 51 cents as well, and palladium was up 11. So what we might consider the alternative precious metals are doing better than gold at present. Whereas in the crypto market, the Bitcoin price is clearly outperforming the altcoins because even though it was up in a fairly dynamic manner today, Ethereum was in negative territory. Then in the stock market, well, the Dow was in mildly negative territory, the Nasdaq in mildly positive territory, and the S&P 500 pretty much unchanged. So the S&P is right in the region of its all-time peak, and it has not yet been able to push higher. Then in the currency markets, the dollar, having been a bit higher in early trading, finished on the lower side of its daily range. And several other currencies are doing better against it. Now, the yen was a little softer in here today, but it was up in a dynamic manner yesterday. And then the euro and the pound were both in positive territory as well. So we're seeing certainly the potential here that the euro is going to benefit from more military spending and infrastructure spending. The agreement from NATO that several European countries will seek to set aside 5% of their GDP for military expenditure. That's well ahead of what the ambitions were that they weren't meeting before the invasion of Ukraine. And now I think what we're really seeing is some catch-up play. And there's a little bit of, I think, carrot and stick going on because you have certainly got President Trump saying, oh, he's going to support NATO, but at the same time saying that if Spain refuses to increase their allocation